Hi guys, what's up? Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix stuck Apple logo on iPhone 5s, 6 and 6s guys. I know it's very frustrating that you're stuck on Apple logo and there's nothing you can do. Well, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix that problem guys. Without wasting any time guys, let's get started. Okay guys, the first thing you need to do is to open your iTunes on your computer and connect your device with computer. Okay, I'm gonna connect my iPhone 6s Plus with computer. So after doing so guys, your iPhone will be automatically turned on just like this. So after that, press power button and home button for around 10 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, and leave the power button and keep holding the home button until you see a message on iTunes that your iPhone is in recovery mode, which I'm gonna show you in a while. Please wait. Okay, please wait guys, sometimes it takes a while for the iTunes to detect your iPhone. Just remember guys, keep holding the home button guys, don't leave the home button, so just keep holding it. Okay guys, so the iTunes has detected, so you're gonna see this message guys, iTunes has detected an iPhone in recovery mode. So just press OK guys, and just press restore iPhone to fix the Apple stuck logo problem guys. So just go ahead and restore and update your device guys. Is that simple guys. Hope you like this video guys. For more videos please subscribe to our channel UnlockBoot. See you next time and thank you very much.